comprehensive Push Cart Dolly comparison. Push cart dollies are essential tools for anyone needing to transport heavy or bulky items with minimal effort. Whether you're moving furniture, warehouse supplies, or household goods, a reliable dolly can save you time and physical strain. In this article, we compare 5 top-rated push cart dollies ranging from budget-friendly to premium options. Our methodology involved assessing build quality. The Wellmax Push Cart Dolly is a premium option designed for heavy-duty use with a 330-pound weight capacity. Its alloy steel construction, foldable design, and 360-degree swivel wheels make it a versatile and durable choice for both residential and commercial applications. The textured, non-slip platform ensures that items stay secure during transport, and the padded handle adds comfort during use. The cart folds flat for easy storage, making it ideal for those with limited space. During testing, the Wellmax dolly excelled in maneuverability thanks to its high-quality caster wheels. It performed well on both smooth and uneven surfaces, such as tiled floors and concrete. However, at 16.7 pounds, it is slightly heavier than other models, which may be a drawback for users prioritizing portability. Overall, this is a robust, reliable dolly best suited for users needing a long-lasting tool for regular heavy lifting. The Maxworks 8876 is a mid-range push cart dolly designed for versatility and convenience. With a 330-pound weight capacity, it features a sturdy steel platform, a padded handle, and a textured surface to keep items secure. The cart includes 2 swivel and 2 fixed wheels, allowing for effortless mobility. Its foldable handle makes it a practical choice for users with limited storage space. In real-world use, the Maxworks dolly stood out for its smooth operation and ease of handling. The rubberized grip on the handle added comfort, and the edge bumpers helped prevent damage to walls and furniture during transport. However, the wheel quality, while adequate, did not feel as robust as the Wellmax models. This dolly is an excellent choice for occasional use in homes, offices, or light industrial settings. The Olympia Tools Foldable Push Cart Dolly is an affordable, lightweight option with a 300-pound capacity. Made from alloy steel and rubber, this dolly features a foldable design and 360-degree swivel casters for easy navigation. Its non-slip platform and wear-resistant wheels make it suitable for light to moderate loads in homes, offices, and gardens. While testing, the Olympia Tools Dolly demonstrated excellent maneuverability in tight spaces thanks to its swivel casters. However, its lower weight capacity, 300 pounds, and lighter build make it less suitable for heavy-duty tasks. This model is a great choice for users. List 4. The Voit Vive folding hand truck is the budget option in this lineup, offering a remarkable 500-pound capacity despite its low price point. Its 6-wheel design, adjustable platform, and included elastic ropes make it a versatile tool for various tasks. Weighing only 6.5 pounds, it is highly portable and easy to store. Despite its lightweight build, the Voit Vive hand truck performed admirably during testing, handling heavy loads with ease. The 6-wheel configuration provided stability, but the plastic construction felt less durable than steel models. This dolly is ideal for budget-conscious users who need a portable, high-capacity solution for occasional use. The Tidy Palm upgraded foldable push cart dolly is a heavy-duty option with an impressive 660-pound capacity. Featuring a solid steel frame, 4-inch silent wheels, and a foldable design, this cart is built for demanding tasks. Its noise reduction wheels and padded handle enhance the user experience, making it a standout choice for warehouses and workshops. During testing, the Tidy Palm dolly excelled in handling heavy loads and navigating uneven terrain. The silent wheels ensured a smooth and quiet operation, and the robust frame inspired confidence. However, at $51.99, it offers exceptional value for its capabilities, making it an excellent choice for users requiring maximum durability and capacity.